Hello everyone, welcome to Creating Success Path channel, and in this video we will discuss about the simple interest and compound interest problems. So without any delay, let's go to the video. So this is the first problem. See, if you are weak in this topic only, then only watch. Otherwise, skip this video. Don't waste your valuable time. And here, see, first read the question. The sum of 7,700 rupees is lent out into two parts in a such a way that interest on one part is 20% for 5 years, that is equal to another part at 9% for 6 years. So find the two sums. What are the two individual sums? So let's take first part as x and second part as 7,700 minus x. So before this, what is the simple interest formula? Simple interest is principal into time into rate of interest by 100. So remember this formula. Okay, and so first part x into 20% into 5 years by 100, that is equal to 7,700 minus x into 9 into 6 by 100. So from here everyone is understood, right? So cancel this one with, so 100 cancel, right? Here 2 threes are 2 tens are, that is 50x is equal to 7,700 minus x into 27, right? So here don't multiply these things. Here minus 27x comes this side, means 77x is equal to 7,700 into 27. So here you can cancel this 77, this 77. So x will become 2,700. This is P1. What P2 will become? P2 is 7,700 minus 2,700. That is 5,000. Right? So in exam, you have to start from here. Start from here in exam. Don't write this. Don't write any formula directly from here step. And don't multiply. Here don't multiply. Yeah, answers and integers only, so they will be cancelled. So don't multiply, right? I hope you understand this problem. So let's go to second problem. See here, this is second problem. Here this is the amount invested at 50% compound interest, compounded annually for 2 years. It's given an interest of this much. So compound interest formula is principal 1 plus rate of interest whole power t minus principal. This alone formula is for amount. If amount is subtracted, principal is subtracted from the amount, we will get the compound interest. Got it? So here, so we have to given interest. How much is given interest? 3x minus 750. That is equal to, what is the principal? 2x plus 300. Invested 1 plus 50 rate of interest for how many years? 2 years t is. Here I taken p common. Here you can write p common 1 plus r by 100 whole power t minus 1. So we can write minus 1 here. So here 50 by 100 means 0.5. 1 plus 0.5 means 1.5. 1.5 whole square means 15 whole square 225, so 1.5 square is 2.25. 2.25 minus 1 is 1.25. We have to write like this. So 3x minus 750 is equal to 2x plus 300 into 1.25. See, if you are comfort with multiplying points means you can solve here only. How can you write this? 1.25 means 2.5x plus 375. 3x minus 350. If 2x come this side means 0.5x is equal to 1125. So x is equal to 2 times, that is 2250. If you are not comfort with points means you can write by fractions. You already studied percentage, right? 1.25 is 5 by 4 times. 4 it comes this side means 28, 750, 3000, 10x plus 1500. So 2x is equal to 4500. X is equal to 2250. Whichever you are comfortable. You are comfortable with fractions or comfortable with decimals, you can choose anyone. Anything is fine. But here you have to start from here. How to solve fast. Solve fast. Okay, let's go to another question. See, this is third one. Here what given? Here given component interest amount is given. Here amount is given for 2 years and amount is given again for 3 years. That means in first year the amount will be P plus first year interest. In second year this is will become amount and second year interest will add it. And in third year additional to this third year interest will add. So in second year what will become 4840. Here 5324. What here we have to find? You have to find rate percentage rate of interest. That means from here to here how much it increased? 484 rupees increased. Means that how much rate of rate of interest increased? It is here 10% of 4840 is 484, right? That means rate of interest is only 10%. I said roughly, simply. You want to do traditional method means you have to write like 4840 is principal amount plus compound interest of 2 years and 5324 is equal to principal amount plus compound interest of 3 years. So compound interest for third year is equal to this statement 1 minus this statement, that is 484 will be the compound interest for third year. So what is the rate of interest means 484 by 4840 into 100, that will become 10%. If you are good at concepts you can do simply, or else your time will waste. So understand the logics, understand the concept, right? And let's go to the fourth question. Here this is a fourth question. See, a man invested certain sum. Let P1 he invested at 6% interest and simple interest. Read this word is very important. And another sum at 7% interest. Time here is 2 years. So his income from interest, that is whole sum, is 354. And again he is given 1/4 of first one is equal to 1/5 of second one. So P2 will become 5 by 4 times of P1. Keep this aside. So what is asking? What is the total sum he invested? That means P1 plus P2 is equal to how much is asking. So P1 into 6 into 2 by 100 plus P2 into 7 into 2 by 100, that is equal to 354. 6 2s are 12 P1 plus 14 P2. P2 here how much? P2 here is 5 by 4 times of P1. That is equal to 354 into 100. See, you can multiply, you can take LCM here. 48 E1 plus 70 E1 is equal to 354 into 400. So 148 P1 this means 118 P1 is equal to 354 into 400. See, answer will be integers. Definitely it will cancel. Check here. 118 is 3 times of 354. So P1 will become 1200. So P2 how much will become? 1200 means 300, that is 1500. Got it? You have to start from here only. No need to again write 6 into 2, 7 into 2. Save time. You can always write 6 into 2, 12 P1 plus 14 P2. P2 is how much? We can replace this like this. How to save time. And this is the last question of this series. See here, confuse some people, aspirants will confuse here. So don't confuse. Here some Girish invested some money in the bank. After 8 years, amount became triple. That means first he has amount P. After 8 years, it become 3P. So what is the interest? Interest is 2P. That means 2P interest is equal to principal into rate of interest into what is the time 8 years by 100. So rate of interest is 25%, right? And what Howard is asking, what is the how many times of original sum will the money become in 20 years? Simple interest. In 20 years, what is the amount will become? That means interest is equal to principal into rate of interest is 25 into 20 years by 100. That is 4 times 4, 5 times. So interest is 5p. But he is asking amount. Original sum amount will become principal plus interest. Interest is 5p. That is 6p. Answer will be 6 times. Don't mark 5 times. Sometimes you will confuse here. Don't mark this 5 times. I hope this video is helpful for you. I will continue the series daily. If you have any doubts, see here I have a Telegram channel. They're creating success paths. You can search this ID in Telegram. You can ask here doubts if you have any. Thank you everyone. Prepare well. All the best.